Hello, my name is Scarlet Bros, and I have a really creepy voice, so yeah. Um, so let me explain to you what this channel is gonna be about. Anyways, so I was thinking about doing some vocal singing and screaming tutorials. So maybe, I don't know, some other type of singing tutorial. And I look tired, but I'm not, trust me. And I also may be doing, I don't know, random stuff like math and stuff like that because I really like math. So I might be doing some math tutorials because everybody loves math. Woohoo! Especially me. I'm in my bathroom. This is my shower curtain. And so, yeah. Just go in the comments or write in the comments down below what you would want me, what song you would want me to sing or anything like that. Or like anything you need help in math on. So, yeah. I guess like and subscribe. Bye.